Hello everyone. So today we are solving another USET 2021 question. This is MSQ type question and this is question number 27. Okay, so let's start with reading the question first. Which options can be folded to form the cube shown? So this is the cube that they have shown that they want, and when we fold any of these options, this should form. If any of these options are forming this cube, then the option is correct, otherwise it is wrong. So in this question we need to basically observe things, visualize how this can be folded and what folds can be done. So let's observe. So when we observe, we'll see that the green face and the blue face almost have parallel lines. Okay, so this line and this line, they are almost parallel. So we can say that the blue face and the green face should be parallel when folded. And another thing we can see is that irrespective of the length of the side, because this is a perspective view, the back side is getting small and the front side is getting bigger. So irrespective of that view, if we see that when the green ends, the orange starts, and when the orange ends over here, the blue starts. So basically this line is going like this, green line is going a little slanting, and then when that ends, when that side ends, the orange side starts at that point itself, and when the orange side ends over here, at that point itself the blue side starts. And one more thing, we are giving only 3 sides, so we should always be concerned only with 3 sides. We don't need to bother what happens on the behind 3 sides, because we are not even concerned about that. We don't know whether it is plain, whether it is some other color or something else. So basically leave the other 3 sides. The only thing you need to do is just visualize these 3 sides. Any of these figure, if folded, it should form these 3 sides. If that forms, that is correct. So let's start with solving it. So over here, if you see, I've just done the solving part and I'll explain it. So normally in a USET exam, since you are going to give a design exam, a scale is allowed. Okay, so what we can do, we can just take a scale. We know that any of these blocks, since they look all they'll all look square, so we can just see whether if blue ends over here and this side starts over here, then these 2 sides should match at least one of the measurements. Okay, so if we visualize that if something is folded like this and this forms a figure like this, okay, so basically some side of the blue should match some side of the colored side of this thing, the orange part. Okay, so over here if we see that it is somewhere around 0.3, so the whole side is 0.9 and centimeters, and over here 0.3, it is coming somewhere over here, and any of these sides should match 0.3 colored side, because since this is the smallest part, and over here smallest part of this thing is this side, smallest of blue is this one, okay, and smallest of orange is this one, if we see. So this should be also 0.3. Since this is 0.6, this is not 0.3, so definitely blue side is not equal to the orange side, we can say, and then we can directly reject this option. So case 1, it is false. Similarly for this option, if we see over here, first of all, if we see that the blue side, small shorter side, and the orange shorter side is all matching, so definitely this option is true. Now we'll go for the green and the orange combinations. Okay, so measure this thing. It is somewhere around 0.45. This side is somewhere around 0.45, and then this side should also be 0.45, since this is where orange ends, and then the green should also start. So if we measure over here, so this is also somewhere around 0.45 or 0.4. Okay, so basically this is also correct. So 0.45 and 0.45, it is correct over here. Okay, so we can definitely mark this option as correct. We have written all sides are perfect, so this option is correct. Similarly, coming on to case 3, that is option number C. So now let's again do the measurement part for this thing. So if we see again, the blue sides and the orange sides are already combined, so that's a pretty basic work now for us to combine the orange and the green side. So the bigger side of the orange, bigger side of the green should combine with the orange side, leftover orange side. So if blue and orange are combining over here, so we need to measure this thing, the other side. So it is somewhere around 0.5 for orange, and similarly for green, bigger side should also be 0.5. Okay, so now we'll measure over here. So yes, this is also 0.5. So yeah, this can also form a shape like this. Three sides can be combined like this. So yes, this is also correct. So all sides are perfect, all the three sides. And similarly for option D, now we'll see this thing also. So option D, first of all, the green and the blue are combining. So we are unconcerned about this because in this figure, what three sides we see, the green and blue never combine. So they should not combine over here. Other than that, if we can see that these two sides are also parallel, so if they are folded inside, so this should form a figure like something like this. If they are folded like this, so this will be forming something like this. Okay, something like this, yeah. And this will be colored and this will be colored, but in this case the opposite ends are colored, not the side the same sides are not colored, but the opposite ends are colored. So definitely when this is folded, option D is folded, we don't even need to measure it. When option D is folded, we can directly say that we can reject this option, and yes, this option is also false. So basically when you just fold it, it will be a curve for green like this, and for blue the curve will be coming over here and this side will be plain, but the blue will be over here. So that we don't want, we only want this sort of figure. So yes, option D is also false, case 4 is false. So we can easily say that case 2 and 3 are true, that is option number B and C is the answer for this question. Okay, so that's all for this question. Thank you everyone. If you understood the question, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and any questions you might comment in the comment section below. Thank you everyone.